Hi everyone, it's Miss Oliver. I was just wanting to give you guys a video to let you guys know that every time you fill out that survey, I get your response. I know it probably doesn't send anything back to you, so a couple of you have been resending it a few times, but you're good. I get it every time that you submit it, so just submit it one time, and then I go in and do your grade, so I don't want you to worry about that. But we miss you guys and hope that you're doing well at home, and hopefully we will see you all very soon. Again, y'all are doing a great job on these assignments. We will not have any Zoom lessons for this particular class. We'll just have one activity a day for you to do while we're doing virtual learning. We want the majority of your time to be spent on your core classes. So if you need any help with anything, please let us know. We are here to answer any questions, and we will see you guys soon. Bye.